Hey, alright guys, I welcome you to this video where I'll be showing you how to design a minimalist logo for NXA. I'll be walking in this step by step required to have this type of logo design within 5 minutes. It's something easy if you master how to make use of shape builder tools. I want you to follow along with me. If you are new to this channel, please click on subscribe button, like this video and share this video to your friend. Okay, let's get started. Okay, now I have a new artboard for this design. The first thing for you to have a larger space for your design is for you to hide this artboard. Let me show you how to hide the artboard. Come to view here, come that where we have hide artboard. You can press shift control H, shift control H to hide it as I'm hiding the artboard. Come to your tools here, elect tools, click on elect tools, remove the fill but and draw an elliptical shape. Okay, this is an ellipse. Now click on Alt on your keyboard and drag this shape now so that it can, and likewise click on shift so that the two ellipse can be on the same line. I've dragged the two the ellipse. Now just click on the two ellipse, click on Alt and drag it downward so that you can have something that look like coats of arm. Now that I've dragged the two ellipse, click on everything, come to your shape builder tools here, click on shape builder tools and give it a feel. Now just click on where you want. Now can you see it? Now I've filled this one. Just click on it and drag it so your left or the right hand side. Click on everything here, click on delete on your keyboard. Since you have deleted it, now the next thing is for you to come to remove the fill here, so you to have only the stroke. Now you can enlarge the shape. Now the next thing is for you click on Ctrl C on your keyboard and click on Ctrl V to paste to the front. You have pasted the shape to the front. Now click on Alt and Shift on your keyboard and drag it. Now the one which so that you can review the size. Now we have the two shapes here, the bigger shape and the smaller shape. The next thing is for you come to your tools here, click on line segment. Now press on shift on your keyboard so that you can have a perfect straight line. Now since we have drawn a straight line, move it toward the edge of the shape here. Since the two shape has intersect, now what you want to draw, we need like 13 columns for us to have a perfect design. We need 13 columns. Now click on it and click on Alt on your keyboard, drag it. Now we have the first one, click on Ctrl D, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, 10th, 11th, 12th, 13. Now we have 13 columns making 12 and 14 straight line. What we want is that we want this thing to occupy so that you can intercept the last line that we draw. Now drag it, don't worry, just drag it. Since we have dragged it, now this one we have here, drag it so that it can touch the 13 line that we drawn. Okay, this one also drag it so that it can fit perfect. Don't worry, we have a uniform shape. Just click on all the straight line that you draw. Now click on Ctrl G on your keyboard and press R to rotate these lines. Now on your keyboard, click on enter. Now we have pressed the R as a shortcut for rotate. Now set your angle to be 90 degree and click on copy. Can you see it now? And now you want to modify this line. Now just drag this one to touch anywhere that you want it to touch. This is the first one. The smaller shape, just drag it to touch the second line here now. This one you can drag it. Let me drag it to touch the upper shape. It's not a must for you to touch the upper shape. Depend on the what you are trying to achieve. Drag this. Now we have a perfect and uniform shapes. The smaller shape and the bigger shape. The next thing is for you to click on everything here. Now come to your shape builder tools here. Click on shape builder tools. Remove the stroke and give it a feel of any color. Now let's start writing our letter. The first one is letter M. Okay. This is letter M now. After letter M, we have X. Just come down here. We have letter M and letter X. Now the next thing is for us to draw our letter A. Just get the concept required here. You can use any logic. Sorry, Control Z. Now, now we have our letter A, letter X, and letter M drawn. Let me zoom by pressing Control plus for us to zoom so that you can see the intricate shape in which we have not filled. Click on your shape builder to remove the stroke. Sorry, Control Z. Now let's come down to here. Sorry. Okay, that's how to have our letter M X A drawn. If you find this video helpful, like this video and share this video to your friend. In your own shape, you might decide not to enlarge the bigger um object to this length. You can make it smaller so that you can have something uniform like the one I drew in here. If you like this video, share this video and to your friends, and like this video and subscribe to this channel if you are new to this channel. See you in the next video. Bye for now.